Wim Hof Method has become hugely popular in recent years, and the benefits of cold showers can have a great impact on your mental and physical health. In order to adapt to the cold, many do the Wim Hof breathing method, which I've covered in the past and will link in the description below in case you want to know more. Equally so, many have drawn parallels between Wim Hof's breathing technique with yoga exercises. In this video, we look at the correlation between the two, as yoga is directly referenced by Wim Hof as a method to breathe correctly and to your full capacity. Number 1. Why yoga? The average person when breathing takes shallow breaths and doesn't reach their full breathing capacity, meaning they don't intake as much oxygen as they should, and this can potentially cause health issues. Some people even unconsciously hold their breaths, especially when they are stressed and tensed up, meaning they compound the effects of the stress as breathing deep sends signal to the brain to calm down. Pranayama is a specific form of yoga that focuses on breathing and is something that's practiced by a huge number of people around the world today who feel the benefits of doing it. In part, it's about distributing your life force, or prana, throughout your body with the use of controlled breathing methods, of which 3 types are associated with the Wim Hof method. Number 2. Ujjayi. Ujjayi is the most popular form of pranayama and is about breathing in and out through your nose while directing your breath over the back of your throat. When you do this, you'll find that the result is a soft hissing sound you hear, and you'll feel your brain immediately getting oxygen, almost feeling light and comfortable. Practicing Ujjayi helps to slow down your breathing, helping you take in more controlled and deliberate breaths to get the greatest benefits of breathing in. The practice, or exercise, also helps keep your mind from wandering, helping you maintain focus and concentration, as you are constantly focused on the way you are breathing. Number 3. Mula Bandha. Mula Bandha, translated to root lock, resides in the intersection of pranayama and meditation, and is a fundamental part of pranayama exercises in yoga. It is used to hold on to as much prana as possible by locking the lower regions of your body around the pelvic floor region of the body. Doing so requires you to contract muscles at the base of your pelvis, performed in a seated position to help retain energy and help it flow up the body. Maintaining this flow of energy within the body not only benefits you in terms of feeling more energetic, but also means it's used towards beneficial processes within the body. Number 4. Kumbhaka. Kumbhaka is a state that's identified as being between inhalation and exhalation, where you control the retention of breath and can be practiced with full lungs, also called antara kumbhaka, and with empty lungs, or bhar kumbhaka. Practicing kumbhaka will increase oxygen uptake and carbon dioxide exchange inside your lungs, meaning you get more benefits from breathing properly. As you learn to control your breathing, you learn to control your body better, which you can utilize to help you adjust to the environment around you better and improve your health. For example, we know research has found that kumbhaka and pranayama affect various systems within the body, including cardiovascular, nervous, endocrine, lymph, immune, digestive, and respiratory. Number 5. Yoga and Wim Hof. Breathing is a very important part of yoga, and as we know, is a fundamental part of the Wim Hof method, with the two directly linked, with Wim Hof acknowledging pranayama techniques and their benefits. Yoga should be about creating harmony between body, mind, and breath in a state of union, something which is practiced when doing the Wim Hof method. As acknowledged by Wim Hof, one issue is many people focus on keeping up with their yoga class and forget about proper breathing, resulting in yoga sessions exhausting them, when it should be revitalizing. The same can be said of the Wim Hof method and the use of breathing, as your breathing patterns are directly linked to the effects of cold showers, which much like yoga can be either exhausting or revitalizing. Are you interested in the correlation between the Wim Hof method and yoga? Let me know in the comments section below. Please like, share and subscribe as we help you live life on your terms. Don't forget to hit the bell icon to ensure YouTube notifies you of the latest uploads. Thanks for watching.